Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Geeky Me Showtime. Yay. Okay, I'm so happy to be back after such a long break. So today we'll be learning how to do our boot laptop with the Linux operating system. That is, we also, in addition to the Windows operating system, our laptops traditionally comes with, we also want to have the Linux operating system in our laptop, and in such a way that once we turn our laptop on, we choose whether we want to use the Linux OS or the Windows OS. And in this video, we are going to learn how to do that. We are going to be using the Linux Mint latest distribution, which is the Linux Mint 21.1. It's also called the Vera. So we are going to learn how to put in this OS in our Windows laptop. Okay, so the first thing you're supposed to do is make sure your flash, we are going to be using a flash drive, so make sure your flash drive is formatted, especially if it's a flash drive you've been using before now. So, and you also know that before you format it, you'd be careful enough to back up everything you have in there, so that, I mean, you can have a copy of it somewhere and you can still get it back whenever you want. I'll include a link to a video where I showed how to format your flash drive. So let's get started. First, we go to linuxmint.com. We tap on downloads, and I mean, if you check on the Linux Mint page, it shows you linuxmint.com page here. It shows you editions of a Linux Mint. This is Linux Mint 21.1 Vera, and we have several editions, but we'll be using the Cinnamon edition. So we tap on download under the Cinnamon edition download, and then we see several mirrors of this Linux Mint Vera, but we'll use the first one, the first USA, advancedhosters.com. We tap on it, it starts to download in the background. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done downloading. So now we're going to look for other pages that would help us run this installation. We'll go to the installation guide page, and on that page you just read up everything you need to know. But we are interested in creating, look at it, the third link, creating a bootable media. So I think I already opened that page. You can just click on the link and, you know, open it up. So once you go to the creating bootable media page, we see that for our Windows system, this is, we need to learn how to do this in Windows. For our Windows system, we need to download Etcher. Etcher is an app that would convert the downloaded file to something any system would see as an OS. So let me show you what I've downloaded. There you go, see the Linux Mint 21.1 Cinnamon, and it's a disk image file. It's an ISO file. So let's get back to our etchers. So that's the etchers in the background, or so I already downloaded etchers. That's it. You click on flash from file, because we want to find the file, the disk image file we just downloaded. So let's get it. So that's it. You pick it out, you open, you go to select target. Your target is your formatted flash drive. You pick it and then you select flash. So what this is doing in this process is simply just going to put the downloaded file on your flash drive, right? It's going to put your downloaded file on your flash drive in such a way that once you put that flash drive in any laptop, the laptop or system detects that there is an operating system in the flash drive that you could boot your laptop from. That's just what we're trying to do. So it's going to flash as it's doing now, flashing, then it's going to verify, then finish. I kind of sped up this whole process Like I took the video of the process, then I sped up the video. So in reality, this is going to be this is going to take more time than it is taking here. But in this video, we have all of the steps. All of the steps. It's just maybe sped up times 2, times 4 in some places. So just be patient. So it's flashing. Yep. Yeah, it's validating. So let's just wait a bit for it to complete that. So once it completes it, you're going to notice that this laptop will no longer be able to detect our flash drive, and it will say, oh, if you want to use this flash drive, just format it. So but we have something in it, so we are not going to format it. Instead, we'll just remove it from the system, remove it from our laptop, put the laptop off, put it back, then put our laptop on. Yeah, just like I said, it's not going to detect it. It will request that we format, but we don't want to. But funny thing, if you check your disk management in our laptop, you see that there is a flash drive there. But this is just for you to know the way your laptop sees this flash drive now. So next thing, we put off our system. Put it off. You put off your system, then you put it on again with your flash drive inside. Now we want to boot from the flash drive, so it's the third option there, Limpo slides USB. So once you boot, we want to take the first option. So we are taking the first option because we want to check whether what we have in our flash drive is compatible with our system first, with our system. So you choose, we're going to use the arrow key. Use the arrow key, tap the arrow key going upwards. So we choose the first option, and once we choose the first option, we've chosen the first option. It's going to take some time, but don't worry, your system is just trying to pick up what you have in the flash drive. So that's what you have there. Is the Linux Mint logo. I'm sorry this is not as clear as I thought it would be, but I'm sure this would do. So let me show you. So it's just taking time to boot up from the flash. Just take your time. Just take your time. Yeah. So don't worry. Just keep watching it. In my case, that wasn't even a real error. It was just trying to, like I said, boot. I didn't have to do anything to get those things, those logs on the screen away. It just, went away. But in your case, you might have to read it up and know exactly what it's saying. That's if it won't go away on its own. It might just need you to press enter, say yes, something like that. But in my case, we are all good. So now it has booted. You see up there we have install Linux Mint, but I don't want to install yet. I just want to explore it. So you can try to, through this OS, maybe connect to Wi-Fi, use it comes with Firefox. Go to the Firefox, maybe go to YouTube, try to play a video, make sure you hear the sound. I did just explore it all around. That's what I'm just trying to do here, just to make sure that this OS acts right with my system, and it did. So so this is me trying to visit a random channel on YouTube. I don't even know, it just said YouTube. I tried to play this video. It did produce some sound, but I kind of muted the sound while editing this video, just so that you'd hear me loud and clear. So everything is working just fine. So I'll just install the Linux Mint at this point. So you tap on install. It might take a few seconds to respond, but don't worry. So while I was waiting for it to, respond, I decided to explore more, check out the apps, um, check out the file system. What do I have? I think it was at this, yeah, it started to install. It says, welcome, choose your language. I chose English. Then you just keep choosing whatever it presents to you to choose, and you just keep tapping continue. Install media codecs. Here you choose a password. Be careful, you would always need to remember this password because Linux is tricky, not like Windows. Before you download any app, whatever needs permission, you have to put in your password. So you need to remember this. So you put in a password you can remember, tap on continue. Let's see what's the next step. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It kind of encourages me to do more. Yep, you tap on continue. So this is really important. You should choose the first one. It says install Linux Mint alongside Windows Boot Manager, which is what we want. If you choose the second part, which says erase disk and install Linux Mint, you are going to lose everything in your Windows. You lose your Windows OS and everything in it. So we don't want to do that. And we don't want to choose something else. So you must choose the first one, which is installing Linux Mint alongside Windows Boot Manager. That's what we want. So we choose that and we tap on continue. And I think on the next page, we are just going to have to adjust disk partition. Let's see. What do we have here? So yeah, tap on continue. Yes, like I said, adjusting your disk partition. So this is where you choose, you see that once, as you shift it, the numbers are adjusted. This is where you choose how many gigabyte of my memory, my disk memory do I want to use for Windows, how many do I want to use for Linux Mint. And the thing is, you can't change it again after now. So whatever you choose is what it will continue to be till forever. So you can't change this after now. So you just get to decide. In my own case, I wanted my Linux Mint to have about 300 gig. It's like having two laptops. Yeah, one a Windows laptop that now has a specification of 700 gig in the disk, and the other a Linux Mint that has 300. So yeah, I've chosen. So you decide what you want. So it's going to ask you to confirm, because confirm you really want this, because you can't change it after now. So you're going to say yes, 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 install now, which I've just tapped. So this is where the installation happens. It does the installation. Then it's going to tell you again, this is what you want. Is this really what you want? You can't change it again. And you're going to say, yeah, continue. You tap on the continue button. So I think this is just the prompt where it says you can't change it after now. And you are going to say, yep, continue. So let's see. So I'm going to click on, okay, I just wanted it to be a little bit clearer for you guys. So you tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, you're done. Where are you? Well, let's go with Chicago. You can adjust this to suit where you are. So we're going to tap on continue, and who are you? That's where you enter your name, your computer's name. You choose a password. Then you choose continue. And at this point, you're done. You're done. So let's see. Okay. Welcome to Linux Mint. Yeah, you're done. So next thing, I'm going to just switch off my system, switch off my laptop, switch it on again, just so that we can see that it's now a dual booted laptop. remember to remove your flash drive at this point. I think I did not remove my flash drive, so I got the prompt saying, hey, remove your flash drive and before you continue. So yeah, so this is just, it's just trying to set up, installing system, retrieving files. It's just going to be doing a lot of things. So let's see. Just give it some time. Well, we'll give it some time. If you like this video, if it's useful to you and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, why? Subscribe. Please do subscribe and like the video. I think I should put some music around here so that you guys are entertained while waiting for this thing. Okay. So you have to restart your system. That's important. You have to restart at this point. And this is just so that everything we've done, this is, like I said, the Linux main system. For some reason my camera, it says please remove your installation medium. You were supposed to remove your flash drive before restarting, so make sure you do that. I forgot to, but I mean, if you forget, it would give you a prompt. So you tap on continue booting. When you restart from your Linux, this is the interface you see. So now you would have three options here: Linux mains, advanced, and the last one for Windows. But we are restarting into Linux mains. So you just tap the first one with your arrow keys and enter. You use your arrow keys going up to get to the first option, then enter. So this is our Linux mains. You enter that password and you're in. Let's see. Yes, you're in. Welcome to Linux. So I'm going to try to turn this off again. Yes, that's shut down. And I want to try going to my okay, let's just log in on Linux again. So I turned it off. Like I said, the first option is usually for your Linux. So you just use the enter key. Tap on the enter key. It will lead you to the welcome page. You enter your password and you're into your Linux operating system. And for what systems I use, this is a Lenovo IdeaPad gaming 3 laptop. So to log into your Windows, you just switch it off, switch it on again, use the arrow keys, go to the last option and use your enter key and you're in. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.